This week, we're talking about different ways to eat that will help to remove foods from our diet that may trigger some of our chronic symptoms like fatigue, brain fog, inflammation, joint pain, and also help to heal the gut. We talked about the elimination diet. We're going to remove processed food, sugars, and five big things: wheat, gluten, dairy, corn, soy, and eggs. Those things are all going to get removed from the diet for a period of time. We talked about the autoimmune paleo diet, how it's everything that's in the elimination diet, but then it goes a little bit further and it removes a whole lot more. And it feels very restrictive at first, but it really is a really great way to help heal the gut, restore the immune system, and calm down inflammation. Today, we're going to talk about why would you want to do that? It's called autoimmune paleo because autoimmune is a really intense chronic condition that oftentimes requires a lot of healing. It often occurs because of leaky gut, intestinal permeability that we've talked about before. It often occurs because there's been a lot of things over time that has exposed our bodies to things, triggers, toxins that have entered our body, created all kinds of inflammation, created all kinds of damage to the gut, and resulting inflammation and pain and symptoms that we have. The AIP diet goes a lot further to help remove everything that could possibly cause those symptoms and could possibly be a trigger. Your immune system, removing those food triggers, reduces the antibody production that we talked about, and it really helps to lower inflammation and heal intestinal permeability, or what we call leaky gut. The AIP diet is stricter than the standard elimination diet because there are some things that are okay on the elimination diet that for some people can still be a problem. So it goes a little bit further. Nightshades, nuts, and seeds are one of them. Nightshades contain natural compounds. One of the compounded nightshades is called solanine, and that can increase inflammation for some people. Not everybody has a problem with them. I'm actually one that I didn't have a problem with tomatoes and eggplant and things like that. But for some people, nightshades can be a big no-no. It can really cause their symptoms to worsen. Some people respond to tree nuts and seeds. So removing all those things can really go a long way at helping to calm down the immune system, calm down the body, heal the gut, and give your body a chance to begin to heal. Most people follow this for 30 to 90 days. What we talked about before, it takes 3 weeks for antibody production to start to decrease. It takes about 3 months or 90 days for all those symptoms to really calm down, the inflammation to calm down, the healing to begin. I will tell you, even after introducing foods one at a time, some people still have issues with certain things and they have to be eliminated for a little bit longer. I was able to add eggs back in after about 2 or 3 times. It took me a couple months really to be able to add eggs back in and not have any symptoms at all, which I was grateful for. If you are someone that struggles with autoimmune disease, I would love to encourage you to give AIP a chance. We have all kinds of ways to support you with this. We have free handouts. Comment below whether you've tried it, whether it worked, and whether you'd be interested in receiving some of our support. Love to hear from you. I hope this added value, and I'll see you in the last video.